Hey Mitchell, what are you going to do?
I'm going to show you a tour of my room.
What's with your room?
So it's like a month away from Halloween.
Uh-huh.
And I decorated it Halloween themed.
Okay.
I'm probably going to do this for Christmas too.
Uh-huh.
We don't have as much, but I'll put like the old stuff that we have. Put them on. So I shut the door.
Uh-huh.
So that we like.
Oh, wow.
Right here you got the ghost shopping.
Uh-huh.
You got the skeleton.
Oh, yeah.
You got the cat right there.
Uh-huh.
There it is.
Whoa.
And here you got a small cat. I made it like they're fighting. You got a bat and a pumpkin. There's some stuff in there. Right here, I have a swing skeleton raper. From Fred Meyers. This is like a bigger ghost we got last
Oh,
year.
wow, yeah.
Check out the card he put in it.
Right here, yeah, I put the card in. I took it out and it didn't work,
Oh.
unfortunately. You got the he's got the little step pad.
Nice.
You made a step head for it. That's so cool.
And it's just paper. And then right here, I got like the costumes. So I was gonna put this up. I closed the blinds so that it'd be kind of dark.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that is the full tour.
Wow.
And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notifications on. Bye.